The Nyothrab Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749905534 and 98561722263. To recognize the skills and talent of students, the Department of Education and Literacy, Government of Meghalaya, in collaboration with the Ministry of Science and Technology, New Delhi, had organized a state-level exhibition for Inspire awardees at the Conference Hall of the Bharat Scouts and Guides in Shillong on the 22nd of October. The Secretary, Education Department of Meghalaya, R. Rapthap, was the chief guest on the occasion. Those present included the Joint Director of School Education and Literacy, T.M. Pungrop, representative of the National Innovation Foundation, Leshifro Kashina, students and teachers besides other invitees. Out of the 8 selected students to take part in the exhibition, only 3 of them had participated, where they were able to display their innovation and also receive certificates and cash prizes for their creativity in the field of science and technology. The students included Class 10 student of St. Thomas Higher Secondary School, Mairang, Lamang Karpanglingdo Maunai, student of the Dengre Puri Higher Secondary School, West Garo Hills, Gregory C.H. Marak, and student of Government Girls Higher Secondary School, Shillong, Khushi Mandal. Speaking during the occasion, the representative of the National Innovation Foundation, Leshifro Kashina, said that the participation of students in the exhibition held on Friday would enable them to take part in other national and international exhibitions in the future. Kashina also appreciated the talent of the Meghalaya school students and said that she is hopeful that their participation in such exhibitions would pave a way for them to showcase their creativity in the area of science and technology.
So Inspire Awards Manak, it is a program that is jointly executed by the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, and National Innovation Foundation India. So under this award, students from class 6 to class 10 can participate, and we're looking for innovative ideas. So students with innovative ideas, they can submit their ideas, and the teachers can register the schools online, and ideas can be nominated online. So once the ideas are nominated online, there will be a selection process. So district level competition will be there, and if a student is selected at the district level, he or she will receive a sum of rupees 10,000 each. So with that money, they can build model of the idea. And after that, there will be a state level exhibition. So at this state level exhibition, if a student is selected, then we will give mentoring workshops. So we're preparing them to go to the national level before they go to the national level. So, and at this stage also, students can also apply for more funding if they need to improve the models. So at this stage, during the mentoring workshop, we invite experts from different institutes to refine the projects, to refine the models and prototypes. So these students, they will go to the national level, and top 60 ideas from all over the country will be selected. So these top 60 ideas will be awarded, and apart from winning award, they will also get the opportunity to visit Japan. We have this student exchange program that is called Sakura Student Exchange Program with the government of Japan. So they'll get this opportunity. Apart from this, they'll also get opportunities of participating in ASEAN, and then Festival of Innovation and Entrepreneurship that we organize every year. And during this festival, they will get the opportunity to exhibit their ideas as well, and they may also get opportunity to become to be in resident scholars at the residence of the President of India. Students from Meghalaya, they are equally capable. They have talent. They have the talent. Just that awareness is not there, and then the platform is not shown to them. That's why it is our duty, and then so in collaboration with the Department of School Education, we're trying to make sure that we reach out to all the students in every nook and corner.